To add a adjustment layer in your Capcut project, first of all, make sure to unselect all clips in your timeline. If it's selected, just tap this back option. And now in this bottom menu, you have to find out this adjust option. Tap on adjust. And now choose here brightness option. Now all you have to need, increase the brightness a little bit and tap on done. And here we can see the adjustment layer successfully added in my timeline. And now if you want, you can actually resize the adjustment layer length. You can just easily do it just like this. And now in this adjustment layer, you can add effects. To do it, select the adjustment layer, tap on adjust, tap on filters, and now you can actually go ahead and add filters to the adjustment layer just like this. Or you can go to adjust, and from here you can add contrast, saturation. So you can go ahead and add these settings to your adjustment layer. And this is how we can actually add adjustment layer in our Capcut project. Thanks for watching.